Hello everyone, I'm Peter. Today I'm going to unbox the new smartwatch. It is the FM08 Smartwatch. Now let's go. Firstly, let's see the box. Then let's open the box. Firstly, we see the watch. And inside there is the magnetic charger and the menu. Now let's check the watch. And here is the microphone. And this is the charging interface. And this is the sensor. And this is the microphone. Firstly, let's check the watch face. Inside it has 4 watch faces, but this watch can customize watch faces and can also add more watch faces through the app. And then let's check the quick actions. From the top to the bottom, we can see the do not disturb, and there is a theater we can click. Then the screen will go to the power saving mode. And then the flashlight. And we can see the weather and the setting, and also the brightness adjustment. And now let's see the menu style. Firstly, the honeycomb. Move the screen from the left to the right, we can go to the main menu. And this button can rotate but no function. Then let's check the list style. From the bottom to the top, we can go to the message notification. This watch can synchronize the incoming message notification from the notification center in your phone. And then from the right to the left, we can see the sport and the sleep. Also, we can move the screen from the bottom to the top to see the details. And this one also. And then the heart rate. And the colors, and the dial pad, and the contact. And then the blood pressure, blood oxygen, and the shutter. This is the remote control to take picture, and the weather. And also it has the following days and the music player. Now let's check the functions. Firstly, spot and the sleep monitor, heart rate, and we need to wear the watch. And the chaining, you can see it has several chaining mode. And then the phone, we can see the call records and dial pad. And then the contact. And the blood pressure and the blood oxygen and the weather. and also news. News is the notification and the shutter. For this function, we need to go to the Daffit app, and then we click the watch, and the phone will go to the camera, and then we can just click the watch, and then the phone will take a picture, and the picture will be saved in the phone. And then the music player, it can control to play next song or previous song. And then the breathe function, you can follow the instruction in the watch to breathe in and then breathe out. And the stopwatch, then the alarm, and the countdown. There are several default settings. You can just click to count down. And the flashlight, and also other settings. The brightness, we can also move the screen to adjust the brightness, and the phone on, phone off, and reset. Then the shake on, shake off, and do not disturb, and the theater, and the dial switch. You can change the dials in here, and the reset, power off, and the QR code. You can scan this QR code to download the Daffit app. And finally, the about. So that's all those functions in this smartwatch. And also we can see the app. In the app, it has 3 pages. First page is to synchronize the data from the watch to the phone. And the second page is the device page. We can connect the watch and edit the dial here. And it has many watch faces. And also you can go to here to customize the watch face you want. You can see I just customized the watch face through the app. And the notification setting and alarms you can also set here. And the shutter and the favorite contact. You can synchronize the contact from here. And then the others. You can make your setting by yourself and upgrade. And finally is the personal page. Above is all our details today. If you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.